YouTube, it's your boy Ferris Films. Yo, today's another crazy video. Right now I'm on the way to my boy Chris's house. He's a pilot, a trained pilot, licensed pilot for American Airlines. I told him, hey, like, can you please give me a tour of the executive airport in Orlando? He has a plane there, so I'm trying to get, I'm trying to see the different stuff he does over there. What he doesn't know is I'm gonna ask him for this video to let me fly his plane. That's right, it's crazy because I have no flying experience, but who knows, he might let me, fingers crossed. I'm gonna try to fly his plane today for you guys. So it's gonna be a crazy video. So make sure, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, hit the bell for notifications, all that. My pilots are here, shout yourselves out.
Alright, so you got Captain Curry here.
Then you got pilot _ WILLIS.
Hey.
Right here. Somewhere right here.
It'll be down there somewhere. Yo, so what are we doing today, man? Tell them.
So I think we're just gonna go to the airport today, just kind of look around, show you what we got, and just take it from there. Usually the day's unplanned, so we usually just start at the airport and then whatever happens from there.
And we're going to the executive airport, right?
Yeah,
where like famous people usually go to?
Yeah, we're not gonna go to international. International has a bunch of what is it? Just a bunch of airlines and stuff like that. But all the famous people like Drake, Lil Wayne, Bad Bunny, Ozuna, French Montana they all go to the executive airport. I only say it because I've seen them pull up many times in the executive airport. So we're gonna check it out. We'll have a good time today.
We just arrived at the executive airport. Watch the secret access right here.
Oh, turn away. Top secret. Turn away. Yeah.
Top secret.
Top flight.
Ooh, we in.
Oh no.
So we just got to the airport, and basically we're gonna check out, see what kind of toys are here today, see who's doing what, and yeah, just see what we could look at today. Some of these planes are really nice. I've been in a couple of them, flew a couple of them, and I have just great time at the airport. So let me see what we got in here.
I just gotta say, the plane looks nice, but this is my dream car right here. I want a G-Wagon so bad. So this is like, I love these planes right now. These are all jets are cool, but this is the car I want.
The first plane we got right here is a Citation 550. This thing flies like a champ. I mean, it's gone. You can name any place in the US and South America, it's been. My favorite one though, Citation 10. This plane got us from Orlando to Cali in 4 hours and 45 minutes at an altitude of 49,000 feet.
Yo, this is huge. Oh.
This plane, the interior is a little small, but look at the massive engine on this thing. You can kind of compare these engines to the same as, if you're familiar with an Embraer 145, EMB 145, look it up.
It's like a robot, you're talking right now. Like
they got the same ones. Rolls-Royce engines is what I'm saying.
Okay, Rolls-Royce.
They got Rolls-Royce engines.
How much does that cost?
It depends. Do you want a brand new or what do you want?
That's what I can get.
25 million plus.
Oh my god.
Yes, sir.
25 million. Yo, this plane has a red carpet. That's how you know you made it.
This plane right here, oh man, this guy, my friend Terry, man, great guy. He's been flying with this company, same owner, forever, man. They had another plane called Challenger 605. Let's look it up. They got rid of it, got this bad boy here, and I mean, they take this thing here overseas like it's nobody's business. They go from here, they'll go to Europe, Spain, UK, Amsterdam. I mean, this plane goes everywhere. And the interior, you got a bed here, couch here with a TV, and then you got another bed in the back.
It's crazy. You guys understand how huge this is. Hold on.
Oh, we're still backing up.
Like this is a big plane. Like,
look at that.
This plane looks like something from Star Wars.
Oh god, I think it's a Cessna 441. I can't remember. To be honest, I can't remember off the top of my head. I think it's a 441.
What can you tell me?
Can go up to, I think, 28,000 feet, something like that. These are regular piston engines though. Here, bags in the engines. It's expensive.
That was cool, like those planes and G-Wagon, but I'm gonna get straight to the point. Could we fly today?
You wanna fly?
Yeah, please, could we fly today to your plane? Come on, convince him. Help me.
Alright.
Let's go, Captain.
Let's go.
You down to fly,
Let's go.
bro?
Let's go.
All right, he said yes, we're gonna fly. And this right here, this is Chris's plane.
The whole thing is called a pre-flight, and we're just making sure the airplane is safe for us to do our little adventures for today. So if you give me like 5-10 minutes, I'm gonna make sure everything's good. All right?
So my job is, as a co-pilot, to go after the captain.
What do you mean go out there? What does that mean?
Just, you know, make sure he does everything in order. You know, I'm basically like his assistant, but better.
I'm the co-pilot today. This is my vlog. I'm gonna be the I call shotgun.
Hey, he's the co-pilot today. He take all this down.
So right now what I'm doing is I'm supping the fuel. So make sure the fuel has no water, no debris or anything in it, because the plane sits outside, as you can see. So we don't want to make sure we get, if there's any water in the tank, we want to make sure we get that out with this bad boy. So come down here.
What is that?
This is our fuel. It's called 100 Loled, or avgas as most people call it. So, oh god. So it's blue. It just helps for color recognition and just for people to know what they have in the airplane. Because we have different types of fuel here at the airport. We have like diesel, which is a redder color. We have 100 octane, which is green.
Is it drinkable?
Drinkable.
Fuel, check. Lights, check. Yo, you're mad strong. Pulling that plane by yourself?
Because the plane only got like 10 gears in it. It's good. The plane ain't full of fuel.
We got a special guest over here.
Hey guys, yo Marie. I'm a little scared.
The first time?
First time, yeah, I'm scared.
No, y'all know what we doing today.
These are my 2 victims right here. I mean volunteers.
Alright. I originally gonna tell y'all.
No speech, no safety rules. No safety
I
rules.
also got the door. He knows how to get in and out. He's done this. These are your nice little headsets. You feel me? Put these on. The plane's loud.
Okay.
Plane's loud. So if you want to talk to people, make sure this shit's like really close to your mouth. And make sure if you can hear yourself talking, that means I can hear you. All right. If you're talking, and I can't hear you. I can't hear you. All right. Like I said, Cuzzo knows how to get out of this door. God forbid if there's any reason, if we have to land somewhere that's not the airport.
Jump out.
The airplane, go backwards. Don't go forward, because you see that really big, nice blade up there? It ain't a good time. So make sure y'all go to the back left or back right of the airplane.
Do I have to sign any forms because anything bad happens?
You're on video now, thank you.
I love you guys so much.
That's it. That's all we need right there.
That's it. That's all I need right now. Cut it.
We got the red interior.
Right, this is
Hey, you
pretty
know,
dope. I'm
take it
excited.
back to the 1970s, you feel me? Back to the 1970s when the Mile High Club started being a thing.
Lock them inside so they can't get out.
Oh, absolutely. They're already locked right now.
Child lock. Sorry.
Window lock, child lock, the whole lock. They ain't going nowhere. Now it's our turn. You ready?
Now the big boys is going in front.
Hey, the real pilots are going up front.
Yep. Is it safe?
Oh.
Yes, sir.
That nigga right knows some shit.
Well, hold on, let me turn this shit on. It's hot.
Whew. Oh my god, it's hot.
Yeah, I know, hold on.
That's the first thing everybody says is hot.
Hold on, give me 1 second, right? 2, 3,
How y'all doing back there?
Sweat up my eyebrows.
Pretty good.
6.
What's
Clear,
up,
bro?
YouTube? Look, I'm also a pilot. Look, air traffic control to air traffic control.
What is that?
Alright. So right now I'm just getting the weather for the airport, so I know I have an idea on what's going on, what runway they're using, if there's any taxiways that are active or inactive and stuff like that right now.
What will happen if I just jump out?
Are you recording? Alright, so guys, we're on the plane right now and we're gonna take off. So excited. Say hi. There we go. Active, yes. So yeah, so I'm a little scared right now. Honestly, but God bless me.
Downtown Orlando. About to land the plane. Good landing. Good landing. Well, guys, we made it back safe.
Yes, we are safe and sound.
Even though I took over, but.
Even though our life was flashing before our eyes.
How did you feel when I took over?
I was scared out of my mind. It had me looking crazy in front of my own girl. So you know what I'm gonna do to you? Next video, you're gonna see what I'm gonna do.
Oh, he's starting to be. The whole time he was like, Ferris, I love you, bro, but you're not a pilot, so you better get off the get off the control now.
Just like so air will come in. Sound cool?
Yeah.
Yes, it's hot.
I'm about to put a seatbelt on then. Nah, I'm good. It's hot. I'm sweating like a whore in church.